Linda Mace McGee was born in Marion, North Carolina. She earned her undergraduate degree from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill in 1971 and her law degree from Chapel Hill 2 years later. Following law school, she served as executive director of the North Carolina Academy of Trial Lawyers, and in 1978, she entered private practice in Boone, where she practiced for 17 years with the firm of DeSanti, Watson, and McGee. In 1995, Judge McGee was appointed to the North Carolina Court of Appeals by Governor Hunt and was elected for her first 8-year term in 1996. She was re-elected in both 2004 and 2012, and in 2014, Chief Justice Sarah Parker appointed her Chief Judge.
When I came to the court back in 1995, we had 12 judges, and right then I was the only woman on the court. There'd been other women before, but I was the only one right then. And then now we have 15, and like I said, about 7 or 8 years ago, we actually wound up with the first majority of women on the court. Yes. I remember it was such a big deal to us that we called in the newspaper, and they were kind enough to run an article and a photograph showing, the pretty much equal division on the court.
Over the years, Chief Judge McGee has served the bar and the judiciary at the national, state, and local level. Her selfless dedication to her fellow judges, attorneys, and the public span her entire career. Notably, she is a charter member of the North Carolina Association of Women Attorneys, was the first female president of the Watauga County Bar Association and 24th Judicial District Bar, and has provided years of service and leadership on numerous committees and boards in both the professional legal arena and within her community. Most recently, she served as the chair for the Celebrate Courts Committee, where she led all efforts related to the 50th anniversary of the North Carolina Court of Appeals and the 200th anniversary of the Supreme Court of North Carolina. She has been a tireless advocate for the judicial system and the citizens in North Carolina.
Everything that I have gained from having people who were encouraging to me and who were showing me the way that I should perform, act, represent myself as a member of the bar, so much of that was almost completely formed by people who cared to spend some time to show me how I should be as a lawyer.
Chief Judge McGee has received a number of honors and awards throughout her service, including the Liberty Bell, the Judge Robinson O. Everett Award for Legal Excellence, the Aboda Lifetime Achievement Award, the North Carolina Advocates for Justice Outstanding Appellate Judge, the Women of Achievement Award, the Outstanding Judge of the Year from the Association of Women Attorneys, the Pro Bono Service Award, and Women of the Year for both the Boone Business and Professional Women's Club and the Business and Professional Women's Club. Chief Judge McGee resides in Corolla with her husband Gary and has 2 adult sons.
Chief Judge McGee, it truly gives me great pleasure to thank you so much for all of your service to the people of North Carolina. You have served as a jurist for many, many years, and you have led the Court of Appeals wonderfully well. I am certainly very thankful to you for all of the ways that you have served for the people of North Carolina. You have led all of the celebrations for our courts over the years. You have been a stalwart in making sure that we document this really important occasion for all of our courts. You have practiced law and you have mentored so many people, so many women along the way. And I'm certainly very, very grateful to you for your friendship and your support in my tenure as Chief Justice. I think every single person, but certainly every woman over the last several years can look to you and does look to you as a symbol of intelligence, as a symbol of dedication and commitment to justice, and as one who undoubtedly has shaped the course of justice in the state of North Carolina. I certainly wish that we could all come together to celebrate your retirement in the way that you most deserve. But we know it's important for us to be safe. And I know that it's important for you to be safe as you celebrate so much of your life with those wonderful grandbabies of yours. But please know that from the bottom of my heart, I thank you so much for your friendship. I commend you for a stellar run at service in the judiciary in North Carolina. And I certainly wish you all the very best during your retirement. And I look forward to you remaining as involved as you wish to be during your retirement. Thank you so much, and I wish you well.
Hi, Judge McGee. The Rozier is wishing you a happy retirement.
Happy retirement, McGee!
I met her. I served as McGee clerk from 2014 to 2016. Judge McGee is one of the most brilliant, professional, and humble people I have ever known. Judge McGee, thank you for your public service. The state of North Carolina is better for it, as is any person who has had the privilege of walking alongside you on your path.
Hi, Judge McGee. I just wanted to say congratulations on your upcoming and very well-deserved retirement. You have been such a tremendous leader at our Court of Appeals and for our state's judicial system, and you've been such an inspiration to me personally in my legal career, and I am so blessed to have had the opportunity to clerk for you many years ago. Thank you so much for your service to this state, and we wish you all the best.
Judge McGee, I certainly hope that you enjoy not being a judge anymore. I want to say that I appreciate everything you've done for me professionally and in my legal career, and for your service to this state.
Judge McGee, Allison Smith here. It was a great honor to serve as your law clerk. You have been a fantastic mentor to me and to many others. Congratulations on your retirement. Well deserved.
Hi, Judge McGee. Thank you for your many years of public service and for letting me be a part of your chambers for a short while. I wish you all the best in your retirement. Congratulations.
Hi, Judge McGee. Alice Glover here. I was one of your first clerks. You hired me and Jeff Edwards together, and we had a fabulous clerkship with you and with Peggy as our boss. And I have to say that in my career, when I think about my highlights, it has to be having clerked for you. I wish you the very best, and I cannot believe you're retiring. I know you will do fantastic things and continue working hard even in retirement. I miss our days together.
Dear Linda, as you always wanted me to call you, but I never could, I have so much to thank you for. You gave me my first opportunity right out of law school with the clerkship when Alice was just in my arms. You introduced me to someone who ended up being one of my best friends in life, Peggy Cipher, and you continued to support me through my career as I pursued my dream of appellate public defense. So from my family to you,
Thank you, Judge McGee.
Hey, Judge McGee. I wanted to express my congratulations and best wishes to you in your retirement. It was an honor to serve as one of your law clerks in 2002-2003. I learned a lot from you. I have always appreciated the advice that you've given me, and I have valued your friendship over the years. I hope you, Gary, the kids and grandkids have some big plans in store for retirement. Hopefully the world will open up and you can start traveling again real soon. Thank you again for your friendship and your service to the state of North Carolina.
Linda, I hear you're retiring. As happy as that makes me for you and your family and all the good things that you'll be doing with those amazing gifts you bring to everything you do, we're going to miss you. The system is going to miss you. You are one of the special ones, one of those who care about the job you do, but also care about the bigger system you work in. And your shoulders are going to be the shoulders people will be standing on as we move ahead. I particularly appreciated the chance to work with you on the celebration committee. It was truly a herding cats kind of exercise, you managed it marvelously well. And the proof was in the pudding. I think it was really a wonderful celebration of this good work that you and a lot of other people do to try to make justice real in North Carolina. So you have all my good wishes, my deepest gratitude for the work that you've done, and I hope that the future is very bright for you. You certainly deserve it. Thanks, my friend.
Linda, thank you for your many years of service to the North Carolina Court of Appeals, and congratulations on your well-earned retirement. I was particularly pleased that Chief Justice Parker appointed you to succeed me as Chief Judge of the court, and I am very thankful for your providing the leadership which has enabled the court to maintain its position as one of the finest intermediate appellate courts in the country. Margaret joins me in wishing you and Gary a very happy retirement.
Greetings, Judge McGee from the 10th Judicial District. We wanted to thank you for your wonderful service to the state of North Carolina, and in particular, your brilliant leadership of our Court of Appeals, your steadfast dedication to professionalism, and the mentorship and inspiration that you provided for many young attorneys throughout the state of North Carolina. Congratulations on your well-earned retirement, and we look forward to seeing what the next chapter of your life holds for you.
Hi, Judge. It's Tracy Nair. I just wanted to say thank you for your kindness, for your generosity, for picking me up off the street when Judge Martin retired so that he could complain about living at the beach instead of complain about living in Raleigh, and that I could continue to work in the court that I love so much. And most of all, thank you for your service. And I wish you a very, very happy retirement.
McGee, you have always exemplified the highest standards both in your professional and your personal life. And in addition to that, you're just a kind person. You bring a smile into every room and you make those around you feel good. So we thank you for your years of service, and from all of the Thornburgs, best wishes.
Chief Judge McGee, I am honored to be included in your retirement celebration. I will always remember your leadership and support while we served on the court together. Thank you for your service to our court and to the state of North Carolina. Enjoy your retirement.
Judge McGee, congratulations on your retirement. As your first clerk, you began your judicial career the same time I began my legal career. I couldn't have asked for a better mentor and role model than you. Despite all your many legal accomplishments, though, what I'm most impressed with is that you are one of the best, kindest human beings that I've ever known. I'm proud to have called you my boss, and I'm even more proud to call you my friend. I wish you all the best in your well-deserved retirement. Hail to the Chief.
Mr. Horn, would you please adjourn this special session of court?
All right.